Welcome this video. Outdoor kitchen design. Create the perfect space for cook and entertainment. An outdoor kitchen is more than just a grill and a countertop. It's an experience of your living space, a place for family and friends can gather, look, enjoy the outdoor, design the perfect outdoor kitchen, invite thoughtful plan, smart material, choose and incorporating functional that serve your lifestyle, whether your design for a rustic step under a pergola or a modern kitchen with all the ball and which style. This guest well, you're throwing elements for outdoor kitchen design. Start with the solid plan before jump into construction. It's choosing to plan even detail of your outdoor kitchen. Ask yourself, what's your pro? Choose for family or for entertainment guest. How often will use it